At U.S. Cargo Control, we know Ratchet straps. They were one of the first products we ever offered. And today we carry an extensive selection of Ratchet straps and tie-downs to meet the demands of your job, no matter its size. Our Midwestern manufacturing specialists proudly assemble thousands of straps in our in-house facility each year. If you don't find the straps you're looking for here, our team will custom make them with unique stenciling and hardware options. Contact our dedicated team of product experts to get started today. For the strongest brake strength in the industry, check out our durable and long-lasting black line straps, found only at U.S. Cargo Control. No matter the strap you choose, expect easy checkout and fast delivery. From the U.S. government to the average Joe, we proudly serve tens of thousands of customers each year. We hope you choose to be our newest customer, and we look forward to getting you what you want when you need it.